Have you been looking for an easier way to buy your domain name and hosting at once, and you are tired of searching online for different guides to show you the easiest process? So why don't you stay with me to the end today and allow me to quickly show you how to purchase your next domain name and hosting easily. There are many platforms to purchase domain and hosting plans, but the fact that most of the reputable hosting company services is not actually okay, which we all know, and some still make use of payment method that doesn't allow transaction with debit cards, which make it difficult for many people, especially from African countries. Okay, my name is Adio Richard Philip and welcome to my channel. If it is your first time checking my content, I'd like you to kindly click on the subscribe button now and don't forget to like the video so the video can reach a lot of people and help others also. So let's get started.
So for 1 year, domain privacy, that's another something. So for this hosting, for the hosting service, we select 1 year. We are going to be paying $25, $25.88 for a year. So we don't want to be paying that much. So let me just select based on what you want to select. If you want to pay for 2 years service for the hosting service, or you want to be paying monthly. Let me just select 1 month. Don't forget, I'm just using this as an example. So let me just select the 1 month, which is $4.48. So let's scroll down. Let's scroll down. Then you click on the confirm order. Confirm order. So for the domain registration, that is 1 year registration, which is $1.78 plus the don't forget the domain is $0.00 for the ICANN fee. That is the reason why everything is $1.78 here. So for the hosting, which is you are subscribing monthly for monthly hosting service, which is $4.48. So everything total is $6.44. $6.44. I already have my payment details here. If you don't have, you just need to add, because when you are signing up, you actually need to add up everything, fill in the correct details. If you are making use of another card, you can click on, you can change the card, add new card, anything you want. I'll change the card to my own details. So I click on continue, then I click on pay now. Oh, sorry, you have to agree to the terms of service and agreement. So after you accept, then you click on the pay now button. It's loading. Okay, so the first thing you have to do is to log into your Namecheap account. So I've already signed up already. So I've signed in now. This is my username and password, Richard Philip. So I've signed into Namecheap already. So the next thing is to click on this hosting. Don't forget we are buying both the domain and hosting all together on Namecheap. So click on hosting, then we click on the shared hosting. Okay, so we need to choose our plan. You can see we have Stellar Plus, which is the popular. We have the Stellar Business. Let's check its details. For the first plan, you will have a domain name. You can host 3 websites. Then the space that's 20 gig SSD. Then 30 domain-based main boxes. For the second one, you have a domain, then unlimited website. You can connect unlimited website, as many as possible. Unlimited SSD, unlimited domain-based main bosses, and auto backup. So for the third one, which is the domain name, unlimited website, 50 gig SSD, unlimited domain-based main bosses, and others. So actually, you just want to be making use of this site tools for e-commerce for e-commerce business, just for selling stuff online. So we click on the first one, get started. So yeah, it is asking, are we connecting to a new domain name or our existing domain name? Like what it's asking here is that are you buying a new domain here, or you have an existing domain name that you want to connect? If you click on the existing domain name, that means you already have a domain name. So it's asking, do you have a Namecheap domain name or your third party domain name? So if you have a domain name that has been created already, that you have got a domain name already, then you can type your domain name here. But we are buying a new domain name. We are buying a new domain name because we don't have any domain name on ground. So we search for the domain name. Okay, let me make use of chemicals.com. Okay, chemicals.com is available. Yes. To get the chemicals.com, that is $9.58 yearly. For a yearly, that is $9.58. So chemicals.com, that is 0.00 yearly. That means that one is free. The domain name is free. You can actually get it for free. But if you want to renew, you are going to pay. After for a year, you're going to renew for $19. They are joking with us. So we have chemical.host.online.site.press and others. I think let me just select this chemicals.store because it is something related to our e-commerce business, what we are selling. We are selling online, using our store online. Although if you want to renew this, we are going to renew for $27.98 yearly. So let's select that one, scroll down, then connect to hosting. Yeah, it has been connected already. So it has been connected now. Let's click on add to cart. Okay, so for our domain registration, which is the this chemicals.store, for 1 year is $0.00. For 2 years is 18.19 based on how many years it is. So let's select the first year for 1 year, which is okay. This one is for the icon field. That is the reason why it is 1.78. Boom! Congratulations! Thank you for your purchase. So you have gotten both the domain and the hosting now. They are going to send you a mail. They are going to send you a mail. The information about the domain and the hosting you just got now. So everything's ready now. Let's click on manage. Inside your Namecheap account, if you click on domain list, you're going to see the domain you got. Then for the hosting, that is when, okay, let me show you. This is chemicals.store. So your domain is active. If you check the hosting list, okay, see now chemicals.store, the hosting also is active. So
I think by now you can actually buy your domain and hosting from Namecheap. We got the domain for just $0.00. Then the account fee is just $1.78, and we host the domain inside the same Namecheap account, which is 3.4 point something dollar altogether, which is 6.60 something dollar. So you might be thinking, what is next after getting your domain and hosting from Namecheap? Yeah, I'm happy to let you know that after purchasing your domain and hosting, the next thing is for you to and manage your hosting, enter your cPanel to install your WordPress or anything you want to do. Install your WordPress, install some plugins, set up your sales page, install some plugins, everything, something like that, in which I'm going to be showing you in the next video. Okay, thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.